This week, our vocabulary word for the book, The Recess Queen, is sassy. Sassy. And sassy means lively, bold, and full of spirit. So you need to write that on your page. You can find your vocabulary word on the back of your sentence study page. Full of spirit. Okay? So each time you use sassy in a sentence, then you need to color in a circle. The girl was sassy. So think of some other sentences that have sassy in them. Okay, now for a synonym, we need an example. A synonym is a word that is the same as sassy. So if you want to think of something that's lively, bold, or full of spirit, so an example of a synonym for sassy might be bold. So we're just going to write the word bold. It's hard to draw someone who's bold, so I'm just going to write it. And the opposite of that would be shy. Most shy people aren't sassy. Okay, and now we're going to come up with a sentence to go with sassy. The girl is sassy. In our story, we find out that our character is sassy. She's lively, bold, and full of spirit. All right, so complete your vocab page and then put it back in your Reader's Workshop binder.